Uh-oh. You guys already know what's coming today.
Of course.
We got something on box here. That's Kyle. I'm Vasilios. This is Mobtown Kicks. Let's get to the unboxing. Welcome back to Mobtown Kicks, everybody. We're unboxing this thing right now, and if you couldn't tell by the navy blue and elephant print on this box, we have a special shoe today, and there it is. It is the Georgetown Air Jordan 3 in a size 16 because my man Kyle was relentless trying to get this shoe, and I don't blame him. This thing is a thing of beauty.
So, first things first, when I got it, man, I was surprised. It was like, so what happened was that, of course, sneakers, man, whatever, sneakers. Like, I know I'm going to take an L every time I go on sneakers, but the good part is that, what came through is that GOAT app. I mean, I've gotten...
Not sponsored, by the way.
Yeah, not sponsored by GOAT yet, or StockX yet, but I did get these shoes from the GOAT app, so I was pretty excited about that. I did have to pay $80, or I think about $90 extra than what I did for the if I would have got them on sneakers, but it is what it is.
Was it worth it?
Oh yeah, it definitely was worth it.
Yeah, as you guys can see, we got the tumbled leather on the upper. It's just ridiculously soft. Like that was the first thing I went for, and it feels nice. This is the second 3 we've unboxed on this channel, and it's pretty much the same quality leather they use on the chlorophylls, my 3s. And so, I mean, you really can't go wrong with that. It automatically makes it a super comfortable shoe. Then you go up a little bit, of course, around the sock liner. You got that fabric there. It's got some little holes in it. I'm not sure how else to describe it, but it's almost like, it looks like a basketball jersey.
Yeah, it feels like mesh almost, like to an extent, but not really. It feels like suede. It's like a suede,
like a nubuck
type of thing that it looks like mesh.
Yeah, and
I feel like that's pretty cool. And then around the eye stay, of course, you got the gray as well.
Yeah, you got that same mesh around the eye stay, and then of course you got those classic. I mean, and we know 3s are notoriously easy to lace, and so we're looking at the eye stays right here. Of course, you got down at the bottom, you got the 5 eye stays right there. We only use the top 2, and then you go up and you got the 3 other ones on either side. And this shoe also came with navy blue laces, as well as the white ones. But as you go, you got the elephant print. It's Kyle's favorite part of the shoe, I think.
The elephant print goes crazy with these because, one, it's in gray, and of course Georgetown colors the navy blue and gray, so it works out perfectly for the shoe. Because sometimes with the 3s, you get the elephant print and it's in gray, but the rest of the shoe isn't that like gray color. But with this, the gray is already there in the shoe without the elephant print. And then with the elephant print to add on, which is also gray, adds an added definition to the shoe. So, I mean, that's the coolest part about this shoe to me, that, the gray of the elephant print matches the gray of the tongue, the gray of the outsole as well. So, I mean, it's really cool. I mean, I think it works perfectly with this shoe.
Yeah, and then we're still looking at the top of the shoe. You got the classic tongue. You got that suede tongue, the suede gray. You got the classic Jumpman in navy blue right there to match the uppers of the shoe. Then the underside of the tongue is a nice fabric, the same fabric as the sock liner, and that comes in a navy to contrast the gray of the rest of the sock liner. Now we go down underneath the elephant print. You got the painted foam right there in the navy blue, and then you go more to the right here, it goes from tumbled leather to regular leather in that same navy blue, and then you have the white foam outsole. Of course, you got the classic air bubble there, and then on the back of the shoe you got the Jumpman in white with white air underneath. And then on the bottom of the shoe, you got the gray outsole with the white there, and then of course the navy blue Jordan branding in the center of your foot, and then you got the navy blue part of the outsole on the top of the shoe there. So I mean, all in all, I mean, I think this is a great shoe, and I mean, I really can't see anything wrong with it. So this was one of the most hyped threes I think I've ever seen, and we both tried for these, and we both failed initially, and you just ended up going for these. But I mean, how you haven't worn them yet, but we tried them on for our B-roll, which you guys are going to see towards the end of the video. How comfortable are these, Kyle?
I mean, yeah, that's all you got. You don't even got to say it. I mean, like, one thing that I've always loved about the threes aesthetically is that they look comfortable, but when you actually put them on, you can't necessarily fathom how comfortable they are.
Yeah.
And I know, like, I will still say the 13s are the most comfortable Jordan that I wore, but the threes are definitely up there. They're like right next in line. I think the 13 had like a tad more padding, and it was more or less like, I mean, it also came out years later, so you gotta give it that. But I mean, also with the 3, I mean, for the fact that this shoe, not this colorway obviously, but the Jordan 3 came out, when was it, 88, 89? I think 80.
I want to say 88.
Yeah.
Because the one came out in 85.
Yes, exactly. So, you know.
No, 87. It should be 87. Then.
87 or, yeah.
87, 88.
Yeah. So, I mean, like, when you have that, a shoe came out that long ago, and then it still holds up to this day. You know, this shoe, we got to keep in mind, this is before we were born.
Yeah.
Both of us.
Yep.
You know, and I mean, like, the 13 was out when I might have been like 3. You might have been a fetus, but you know, it's just really funny, just like seeing the fact that this shoe has held up for so long.
Yeah.
I mean, even with the chlorophyll, same thing. Like, I mean, the 3, the silhouette, perfect. It's nothing. I don't think there are many shoes that are better than the 3. Just in general. I mean, all the colorways are tough. And
definitely agree.
These are insane. Like the Georgetown colorway is insane. Doesn't make any sense.
And we know Kyle got all dressed up in his Georgetown gear today, and like you saw at the beginning of the video. Here's a couple of pictures of our photo sesh from out on the deck right after we took the B-roll. But speaking of B-roll, let's hit you with that B-roll right now. Thank you guys for tuning in. Of course, click that subscribe button and hit that little bell for notifications whenever we do post a video. And make sure you check our Patreon account. That's going to be in the description. We would love to interact more with people that watch our videos, and thank you so much for watching our videos. This has been the Mobtown Kicks Show. You guys can check us out next time. Hopefully we got some more heat for you. But I'm Vasilios, that's Kyle. We'll catch you next time.
Go Georgetown.